Hey, what's up, folks? It's Ryan, Redding Hackspace, rlab here again, looking extra special funny today, because we are working with El Grande Laserino. So we've got the Spectron Laser Systems SL1310 here, and we've actually managed to get it to be a laser. So I'm going to fire it up again. Basically what we've done is we've had a bit of a play. We've removed from here the polarizing filter, which is a little mica window that you can see there. That acts as a polarizing filter. We've removed as well from the beam line, but not from the water cooling loop, the 1000 aperture. And we've also dismantled the intracavity shutter. So we've had a bit of a fight with this thing trying to get it to work, but basically we've got it up and running. So what I'm going to do is start the process here. So I'm all ready to go. I'm going to turn on my little switch here and fire up the pump, get some water flowing around, press the start button, and that puts it into standby mode. And you see that runs it at a lamp current of about 6 amps. And if we look over here carefully, because I don't really want to burn out the sensor on my camera, if we look over here, you can now see that beautiful glow of Krypton arc lamp. So yeah, basically that's it, ready to go. And we've got the telescope over here, and the beam path sort of goes around the circle here. And what I'm going to do, a bit of a UV illumination on that wave plate, and hopefully we'll be able to see some infrared. Now the threshold of lasing for this one is a lamp current of about 12 amps. So if I put it into power mode and start turning this knob here until we get to about 12 amps. And you can see there's a bit of a, well, you can see lots on the CCD on the camera because it's obviously an infrared beam, but what you can see through these laser goggles here is actually a dark spot on this wave plate, and that indicates that it's lasing and everything's working properly. So I think you can see a little bit of purple scattered light from the setup here, and that's actually the reaction of the CCD in the camera to the infrared light that's being shot around this this cavity here. And I think I can demonstrate for you, even at a very low power relative to maximum, the ability of this laser. I don't know if this is going to work, with the ability of this guy to set light to things. And I can actually go, that lamp will go up to about 22 amps. So I'll remove that sensitive wave plate and crank it up a little bit just for fun, nice and slowly. And I'm just sort of keeping one eye on the cavity and chamber to make sure that nothing bad happens. And that's about as high as I want to go with it, about 22 amps in the lamp. And you can see that now it's even more sort of lively, and it's very, very happy to burst things into flame. So what I really want to do next is walk in the mirrors and get this thing sorted out. Now one of the cool things, you can see actually the lamp is glowing down the water cooling tube. But let's try and put some other things in the way of the beam here. There's an Allen key, nice. And it lights that up quite well. Don't know if you can see that. But I think what we want to do with this is a bit of laser welding, and especially selective laser sintering. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time, hopefully with another MAHOOS laser.